So as you know, previously I published this video which was called as the old way of making presentations is dead. So in that video, I asked you if you want to see the free method and many of you said yes. So we got more than 50 comments asking for the free version. So today I'm going to show you how you can make presentations with AI for free and using Google's Antigravity. You're going to be able to make up to 3 to 4 presentations a day using this method on the free plan. So to create this presentation, all you have to do is just share the content that you want in the presentation and automatically it's going to create the presentation for you in just a few minutes. And the best part is once the presentation is created, you can open it on Google Slides or PowerPoint and make the edits yourself. I'm Shyam from Website Learners and let's get started. Let's start with the first step, which is to download Google's Antigravity. So to download it, we are going to go to Google and then we are going to say Antigravity. Now let's click download. And here you'll see you have the option to download for macOS or Windows or Linux. I'm going to choose macOS. So the file is downloaded. Let's open it. So you just double click on it and then on drag and drop into your applications folder. All right, so it's now installed. So after you install Antigravity, you also need something called as Node.js. So we need Node.js because we are going to use some commands that requires Node.js to be installed. Let's install Node.js right now. So just click the link in the description and it will take you to this page. If you're on Windows, you can download the Windows installer, or you can also do the same for macOS. So once you have installed Node.js, now you can open Antigravity. So I'm going to go into my applications and I'm going to search for Antigravity. Once you open Antigravity, you're going to see a screen like this. Now here, just choose the agent-driven development. Just choose agent-driven development and then click on next. It's going to ask you to sign in with your Google account. So I'm going to click on sign in and I'm going to sign in with my account. So now we have successfully signed in into Antigravity with our Google account. So once you have signed in, so the next thing we have to do is to create a new folder for your presentations. So for example, in your documents, you can have a folder like Antigravity and then create a new folder called as my presentations. Then you go back to Antigravity and then open that folder. So now we are inside that folder that we created. I'm going to open it. And then you can say, I trust the authors and click on this. Okay, so now this particular folder is open in Antigravity. So let's go to the next step, which is to install the presentation skill. So a skill is nothing but a set of instructions that we are going to give to the AI so that it can make the presentation. So the folder that we just created, we are going to add these instruction files, which is called as a skill, into this particular folder. So to add this, first go to this page. So this link I have given in the description. So just go to this page and just copy this command and then go back into Antigravity. Then click on terminal and then click on new terminal. So that will open something like this and then paste that command here and then press enter. Okay, so now it will ask you which softwares that you are using where you want to install the skill. So to select Antigravity, all you have to do is just press space and that will be selected. If you have something that you don't want, you can unselect it by clicking space again. And then to proceed, we just press enter. And then it will ask you whether you want to install it in the current directory or you want to install it globally. So I'm going to choose project because I want to install it in this folder. So I'm going to click on enter. And then you can go with the recommended method. And finally, we can click on install it. All right. So now the skill is installed. As you can see, we got a few files here. So that is the instructions for the agent on how to create the presentation. So now we have successfully completed installing the presentation skill. So now we can go to the next step, which is to add any images that you want to have in your presentation. So let's say you have some images that you want to have in your presentation. So I have these images. So as you can see, these are my images that I want to have in my presentation. And I also have my logo. Any images that you want to add to the presentation, just select that and then move it into your presentation folder that we just created. So as you can see, we just added the images and all the images are showing up here as well. So now we have added all the images that we want in our slides. So let's go to the next step, which is to select the skill that we just installed before. So to select the skill, all you have to do is just go open this area here and go to this agent here and then just press the / key and you'll immediately see the presentation skill that we just installed. Click on it and it will be selected. And now we can go to the next step, which is to run the prompt. So I have provided a prompt template in the description. So this is the prompt template that I have provided in the description. So you can just copy this prompt and go back to Antigravity and then paste that prompt here. And in this area, you need to add your content. So I have already prepared my prompt. So I'm just going to copy that. And then again, I'm going to add this skill and then paste my prompt here. So next we need to edit a few settings. So first settings we are going to do is change the model as Claude Sonnet. So here you can see by default it's selected as Gemini. But what I've seen is the quality of the slide is better when you choose this model, which is called as Claude Sonnet. So just select that model, and next we need to set the mode as fast. So we don't need the planning mode right now. So we're going to set the mode as fast. All right. So once you have your prompt and once you make these two settings, you can now click on send. And now it will start creating your presentation using the image that you are given and using your notes that you have provided. So as you can see, it's reading our skill that we installed, which has all the details about how to make the presentation. So it might take around 1 to 2 minutes and you'll see the finished presentation. All right. So as you can see, the presentation is successfully generated. And if we go back to our folder, you can see here's the PPTX file. So this is our presentation. So to open the presentation, if you have PowerPoint, you can directly open it in PowerPoint, or you can just use Google Slides. Just go to Google Drive and then drop that file over here. And once you open it, it'll open in Google Slides where you can edit any of those slides. So as you can see, here's our presentation and you can see how it is. So this is how you can create your presentations with AI. So there are still a few issues where here you can see the logo is not that visible. You can easily replace it by yourself. So by uploading a different logo. So you have full control. You can change any text here and you can change any placement here. So even the images you can resize and make any edits yourself. So that's the power of making these presentations with AI. It wrote all the content just from the notes that I gave and it split it into different slides and it added even the icons. Hope this video was helpful. And I have 2 questions for you. Let me know what other tasks you want me to complete with AI. So as you saw, we made a presentation with AI. Let me know what other tasks you want me to complete with AI. And then I'm planning to create an A to Z course on AI. So starting from scratch to making you an expert on AI. So you're going to start as a complete beginner and then go from beginner to an expert on AI. So I'm planning to create an end-to-end course on AI. So let me know if you're interested in this course. If you want to convert your presentation into a video, check out videomule.ai, which lets you convert your presentation into a finished video. So check out videomule.ai to make presentations into video. Thanks for watching. I'm Shyam from Website Learners. So I'm planning to create more and more videos on AI, and that's going to come on this channel. So make sure you subscribe and don't miss any of these videos. Thank you.